In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change site language in WordPress. Changing the site language in WordPress is simple and it can be done directly from the admin dashboard. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Settings, and click on General. On scrolling a little, you'll find Site Language Settings. Click on the drop-down menu next to Site Language to see a list of available languages. Select the desired language from the list. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button to apply the new language settings. By following these steps, you can easily change the site language in WordPress and manage translations to ensure your site is accessible to a wider audience. And this is how easy it is to change site language settings in WordPress. Before leaving, you can also learn how to change page titles in WordPress when using Elementor. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.